Hello there, welcome to Magic Maths by OPM at Malwa OP. Please read this challenging question carefully. Let's say the number of bags bought are equal to B. The number of pens are 2/5 of the number of bags, so multiplied by B, that is 2B/5 are the total number of pens. Now some of the pens are paid ones, so the number of paid pens is equal to total number of pen, that is 2B/5 minus B/4, because for every bunch of 4 bags Mr. Nelson received 1 pen for free. So these are the paid number of pens, and the number of free pens is B/4. As I have explained, for every bunch of 4 bags he got 1 pen free. So number of free pens is equal to B/4. Now for the purchase of all these bags and pens, Mr. Nelson has paid an amount of $4,097. So the cost of bags is $19.90 multiplied by B plus the cost of pens. So 1 pen cost $3.90 and number of pens are paid pens are, this will be 3/20B. So 3B/20 is the cost of pens, hence the total amount paid is $4,097. So let's add this. We'll get, you can use calculator over here. So what we get here is 19.90B plus 0.585B equals $4,097. Therefore 20.485B equals 4097. Therefore the number of bags bought, is equal to 4097 divided by 20.485. So this will give us 200 bags. Okay, so he has bought 200 bags. Now we can now find the cost of 200 bags. The price paid for bags will be equal to each bag cost how much? $19.90 multiplied by 200. So this will give you an amount of $3,980, right? Now the price, the number of paid pens, number of paid pens is equal to 3b over 20. 3b over 20. So this becomes 3 over 20 and b is 200. So this will give you 30 numbers. So number of paid pens are 30. Hence the price of paid pens is equal to, each pen cost you $3.90 multiplied by 30. So this will give you an amount of $117, right? So obviously he has paid more money for the bag than the pens. So difference of these two is the more money paid. So more money, therefore more money paid for bags than the pens will be equal to difference of $3,980 minus $117. So this comes to $3,863, and this is your answer. So friends, I hope you will find this solution useful. Please hit the like button and share this video, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching it. See you soon with a new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.